Hi there everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal for those of you who are new here, and on this channel I talk about all things fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So today I have another Zara haul. I've been going crazy with Zara right now. I've just been seeing all the bright and colorful things and just been going crazy, as you can see from my reel here. So I'm just going to share with you a few clothing items, and then I also have some shoes and some handbags that, some accessories that I also picked up from Zara. I also have a pair of shoes from Mango and a pair of sneakers from Nike that I also want to show you guys. But the majority of the items that I'm going to be showing you are from Zara. So yeah, so if you want to see all the things that I just recently purchased, then just keep watching. All right, so I think I'm going to save the accessories and the shoes for last, because those are the pieces, or at least one of them I'm the most excited about. So let me just show you the items that I got from Zara, the clothing pieces. So the first thing I have is just this bodycon skirt, and also I have this in two colors. I just have 4 clothing pieces, so just basics that I just wanted to pick up to kind of add to my wardrobe. I love to wear white in the spring and summertime, and I don't have a lot of like white items or bottoms. Like I have like white jeans, so I just wanted to pick up a white skirt, and I know it's kind of risky because white is see-through. Yeah, and this skirt, I got it in a size large, and it was $17.90, so a good deal. And it's just like in this rib, like very stretchy fabric. I'm typically like a size 10, 8 or 10 on bottoms, so I got this in a large, and it fits fine. Like, it's not too tight. You know how most bodycon skirts are like really tight and just where you can't walk. You don't get that in this. It's very stretchy and very comfortable and, very breathable. As you can see, it's white, so it is a little bit see-through, and I just wore like some Spanx underneath it. I did try to wear it with like some nude underwear, but yeah, you can still see the underwear. So I just recommend skirts like this that you can kind of see through to wear like nude Spanx, and to get away with like it not being too see-through. So that just kind of worked out for me. So you just can't go wrong with it. Just a basic, and $17.90. It's a good deal for something that you can, it's so versatile. You can wear this with so many different things. So yeah, so that's the first item I got. All right, and the next item I got, I actually paired with that skirt, and it's just a basic shirt. Again, like I said, I just got some basics in this haul as far as the clothing, and it's just like a basic pink button-down shirt, and I got this one in a size large, and it was $35.90. So a good deal for just like a basic, like kind of button-down, like officey type shirt. But I plan on wearing it very casual, like maybe tying it up at the bottom, or wearing it with some jeans. And it's very nice and big. I probably should have got this. I could have gotten this, I think, in a medium, and it still would have been oversized, but it is kind of like that oversized fit that's kind of like in and trending right now. So if you're into like oversized, like button-down shirts, then I think this would be a cute option. So yeah, I just have different ways that I plan to style this spring and summer. You can roll it up, roll the sleeves up. You can wear it with a suit, if you want to inject a little bit of color into like your suiting, or wear it with shorts. I mean, they're just so versatile. So yeah, so wanted to get that. I saw one on H&M that I was gonna get, but it sold out. And then I saw Zara had the pink option in this button down, so I picked it up from Zara. So, but again, I got it in a size large. It's $35.90, so keep that in mind. I'm typically a medium, and I got it in a large so that it'll be nice and oversized. But I feel like if I would have gotten it in a medium, it still would have worked as far as being oversized. So but yeah, so just a nice basic button-down shirt. You can't go wrong with that. All right, and the next item I got, again, I got the this skirt, the same skirt that I got in white. I got it in like this orange kind of, I don't know, like tangerine color. I've been loving this color for this season. Yeah, as you can see, I don't know if you can see, I got the a blazer from Zara. If you saw my last Zara haul, I picked up a bunch of blazers, like colorful blazers. And so yeah, so I've been loving that color, and so I saw that they had the skirt option in that, the skirt option in this orange tangerine color, and so I picked it up. I got this again a size large, and $17.90. Just a good basic. This is also a little bit see-through, so like I said, you probably would do better with like wearing this with some Spanx, so that it won't be totally see-through when you wear underwear. But yeah, just a nice basic skirt. Again, you can style it with so many different things. As you'll see, you should see on the cutaway I styled it with this next piece I'm going to show you. So it's good for like color blocking, you know. It's just so bright and just so vibrant. So I love this skirt. Again, it's nice and comfortable. It's not too tight where I feel like I'm, you know, too uncomfortable, because I don't like to wear like really tight things in the summertime. But this is breathable and lightweight fabric, so you would be fine with you know, getting it and not feeling like you're gonna be uncomfortable because it stretches. So like it's a pretty good stretch on this fabric. So but yeah, so got that skirt and the tangerine. And the next top, next piece I got, again, is that the same top I got in pink. I got it in green because, you know, why not? I've just been loving green too. Green and orange have just been two colors that I've just kind of fallen in love with. I'm typically never really was into green or like orange like that, but yeah. So this one, for some reason I got it in a medium. I guess maybe the large was out of stock, but yeah, this one I got in a medium and it was $35.90. And again, this still fits oversized on me, as you can see from the cutaway or the split screen, whatever I'm gonna do with it. And it's still a little bit oversized, so I feel like if you want this to just, I think it's meant to fit like that. Like I think it's meant to fit in kind of very oversized kind of a fit, because I think that's kind of like what's trending now. I mean, oversized, which I don't mind. I love oversized things. But yeah, so yeah, just got this button-up shirt. I got the same one in the green because, yeah, like I said, I've been loving green. I have like some like lime green or neon green shoes that I got from ASOS, I think last year or the year before last, and I haven't had anything to wear with it. So yeah, so now I have a little shirt to wear with it, as you'll see from the cutaway how I styled it. But yeah, so excited about styling that for the spring and summertime. Like I said, again, so many ways you can style this piece. You can dress it up, dress it down, skirts, jeans, suits. I mean, it's just one of those versatile pieces, and that's why I like to get basics, because you can just dress them up in so many different ways and you're not limited to just like one way to wear something. Because I feel like if you get something and you can't find multiple ways to wear it, then it's really not worth it. So but yeah, those are just all the clothing pieces, y'all. I didn't have a lot because, yeah, I have another Zara haul coming up with, it's mainly basics too. So yeah, so if you want to see some more things that I'm kind of been picking up, yeah, just make sure you like and subscribe so that you don't miss the upcoming videos I have. I think I have a Zara haul and an H&M haul. I'm gonna just combine those two because I didn't get a lot of items from both stores, so I'm just gonna combine that haul and yeah, show you guys the pieces that I got from both of those stores. So all right, so now I'm gonna get into the accessories. All right, so I got two handbags. So the first bag, it just came in this little dust bag, which is kind of cute. But I saw this bag on the site, and when I saw it, it kind of gave me like grandma kind of chic vibes. I don't know, it's just really cute, and it's kind of so different. And yeah, it's kind of looks like a little granny bag, but it has like this kind of like wooden kind of detail as far as the straps, but it also has just a regular strap that's kind of like, I guess, like a faux leather strap. And yeah, it's just, you can wear it like as a clutch, or you can wear it, you know, in the crook of your arm, or you can wear it, you know, on your shoulder. I mean, there's just so many ways you can wear this bag. It's so versatile. And I paid $49.90 for this. So yeah, that's a little much, but you know, it's a cute bag. Let me see if I can open it up. Yeah, so I feel like you can get a lot of things in this, like at least my essentials I could put in this little bag. And the fabric is kind of like a raffia kind of a fabric or material, so very much so in with the spring and summer. And these I don't know if you can see that, but the straps are detachable, so they have where you can detach it and just wear it as a clutch, or you can take these off and add on your own, you know, your own little strap. I have like a gold chain strap that I just got from Amazon that I think would, you know, be cute with this as well. So I like pieces like that you can kind of change up the strap and make the piece a little bit more versatile, and just kind of change it out and make it look, you know, make it look a little bit more different. So yeah, so it's worth the price just for that, because I can change the straps out and add my own straps, or take the strap off and wear it as, like I said, like a clutch. So just a very versatile bag, and just, you know, you can carry your essentials in it and be fine. So yeah, love that little bag. All right, the next bag, I saw it and I got, you know, Bottega vibes from it. You know, I've been loving Bottega. I have so many dupes. and because I love the brand, but yeah, I wouldn't pay that much for something like so trendy. So this is the next item, and like I said, it's very Bottega kind of vibes, and it's just again like this raffia kind of detail, and it opens up and lots of room. I mean, you can fit lots of things in here, very versatile. Has like a little pocket here that you can put things in, and so yeah, I just thought this was a cute bag. I love the chain. This, don't think this chain is removable, or maybe it is. Yes, it is. Yeah, you can remove the chain, so that's good. So you can take this chain off and also wear this bag as a clutch, and you can put this chain on other bags. So really, I didn't have to buy the chain that I got from Amazon because I can use this one. So yeah, love versatile pieces that you can just mix and match and just change the look of. So yeah, but when I saw this, I definitely got Bottega vibes from it. But this one I paid, I think it was also $49.90. Yeah, $49.90 for this bag as well. So, you know, a little pricey, but cute little, you know, trendy little bag. And so yeah, to add to my bag collection. So yeah, love that little bag. And then I got a pair of shoes from Zara. I love Zara shoes. They're just so cute and just so, you know, kind of that trendy vibe, you know, the look for less. And so I got these shoes, and they're like these flip-flops, but they're kind of like this thick sole though. It has it to where you can kind of, it wraps around your ankle and you tie it up. So I just thought this was cute, of kind of like a different kind of different from, you know, like you'd wear flip-flops, kind of a different vibe to it, I guess, because it's thicker sole. And it's like a flip-flop, but, you know, it ties up around your ankle. So I thought these were really cute, the way they had it styled on the site with like all different types of outfits and dresses and whatnot. So I thought this would be cute to wear even with suits. So yeah, so love these shoes. I got them in a size, I think a 10, yeah. Got them in a US 10, and they were $79.90, which is expensive. It's made out of real leather, so I think that's why they're so expensive, is because of the fact that they're made out of real leather. So they're good quality shoes. I have tried these on, and they seem, you know, very comfortable, like they won't hurt my feet, and like I can walk in them for, you know, several hours and not, you know, just want to claw them off because they're too uncomfortable. So but yeah, so love those little sandals to pair with so many different outfits and just so many different ways, and just, yeah, versatile. All right, and then the next pair of shoes I got are actually from Mango, and I've just been loving flip-flops. Yeah, casual vibes is kind of what I'm going for this spring and summer. So I got these little flip-flops, and I just thought they were so cute. They kind of have like this like fabric kind of material here. Yeah, it's very fabric and just kind of like this thick, I don't know what you call this. It's kind of trendy right now, like these little thick like flip-flops, like padded material or padded kind of look is very, you know, trendy right now. So I thought these were cute to wear, you know, casually. Again, I can wear these with suits, you know, with dresses, just so many different ways. And I love the fact that they're white, so they'll go with everything. Or they're not really white, they're kind of more like cream, but it's just fabric material. So you definitely have to be careful with this, because it's not something that if you spill something on, you just wipe off, because this definitely will absorb any kind of dirt or any kind of spill. So have to be careful when I wear these, but they're very cute. I got these in a size Euro 42, which I think is a 10. I'm pretty sure when I selected on the site, I'm pretty sure I selected a US 10. And they are made out of organic cotton. I don't know if you can see the label there, but they are made of organic cotton from the Committed line. So made with eco-friendly and recycled fabric. So I think Mango, most of their items, they're trying to like move towards like sustainable like materials and fabrics, so which is good. I think they're planning on by 2022 to be totally just sustainable, which is great, which also means the prices are going to go up, but they're already expensive really to me. But they have good quality pieces, and there's a good plus that they're starting to be more of a sustainable brand. So yeah, so love Mango. I love getting pieces, like unique pieces from there, and also basics too, but I reserve Zara for basics, but I like to get like unique pieces as well from Mango. So yeah, I got those flip-flops from Mango. The last item I got, I've turned into a sneakerhead. Like, I don't know where this is coming from. I don't know what happened, like quarantine just turned me into just a sneakerhead and just a comfortable, want to be comfortable type chick. And so yeah, I've seen these shoes everywhere, like all over, and I was like, I want those shoes. And because I love the color and they're very colorful, and I just was like, I gotta get them. I gotta get them. And I've just fallen in love with them since I saw them, and I plan on getting them in multiple colors. They were expensive. This is probably the most expensive shoe. No, that's not right. As far as sneakers is concerned, and I don't have a lot of sneakers, but these are definitely the most expensive sneakers I've ever purchased. Like, I couldn't believe I bought them, but I wanted them so bad because I have so many styling options envisioned in my head that I want to kind of style these. So without any further rambling, yeah, you can see. So these are the Air Jordan Retros and the high tops, and yeah, I haven't laced up the laces yet, but they come with the black already in, but they also come with the green and red, which I didn't realize that when I've been seeing them, because I've only way I've seen these styled are with the black laces. So I don't know, I guess they would be cute with the green as well as with the red, I guess, if you just kind of want a different type of look, or switch them out and do, you know, a mixture of both. I don't know. But yeah, I found these on Farfetch. I don't think I've ever seen these like at any like local Foot Locker or any local shoe store I've ever seen. So I went to Farfetch because it's my favorite retailer to go to for like luxury and like, you know, like name brand pieces. And so I found them on Farfetch, and yeah, I plan to style these with dresses, of course, with, you know, baggy jeans, and just they just kind of give me like that very street style kind of look, which I haven't really been into, but I'm kind of digging the whole street style look, because it's just about being, you know, comfortable and casual, which is what I've kind of been going for here lately. So but yeah, so I love these. I'm super excited to have these. I want to get them in like the blue and like red color. I think I saw gray, so just all the colors. They're just very expensive, so yeah, but they're worth it, I think. At least I hope so, because I haven't really worn them out. So hopefully they are comfortable, because I see everybody with them, so I would hope that means that they're comfortable and not just, you know, some stylish piece. But that's okay too, because we love the style, okay? But yeah, so looking forward to styling these. If you want to like me to do a video or like multiple ways that I style these, just let me know down in the comments, because I think I'm gonna do it anyway. But let me know down in the comments if you guys would like to see how I style these like multiple different ways with multiple different outfits, because I feel like if you're going to spend a lot of money for shoes, you need to find several different ways to wear them and not just wear them with jeans. Like, I think that's why I really didn't get into sneakers to begin with. It's just I thought, you know, it just kind of restricted me to wearing them with jeans. But now I'm finding that, hey, you can wear sneakers with suits and dresses and skirts, not just with jeans. So, but anyway, so that's probably my favorite purchase of the summer, I feel like. And that's saying a lot, because I have purchased a lot of things, as you guys know from watching my channel. But yeah, so excited about these shoes. All right, guys, so that's it. That's all the items that I recently purchased from Zara, a little bit of Mango, and of course Nike shoes. So you guys let me know down below which item was your favorite, which one you loved. And yeah, so like I said, I will be doing another Zara haul and H&M haul very soon, hopefully within the next few weeks. I just ordered some stuff online yesterday that I saw, some basics mainly. But yeah, so if you're interested in seeing that, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye guys.